Hello, my name is Jaspreet. My team members are Sylvia, Soni and Shaneet. Our presentation is based on a case study from Austin, Texas. The title of our article is Sustainable Economic Development as a Cluster Strategy by Natalie Bates. In this, they talk about a case study from Austin, Texas, where they are trying to promote the economy as an environmental friendly and greener policy. Cluster identification versus real world scenario. Austin promotes that the local economy should be promoted as a cluster so that local businesses are promoted. We think it is a bit difficult to do in the real world scenario because all the economies of the world differ due to their geographical, social and economical structure. So to apply this as an example would be a tad bit difficult. Supply chain analysis that Natalie Bates talks about is quite important. We agree to what they're trying to say and promote because we think that closing in the gaps in supply chain analysis would benefit any kind of economy, and it is practical in today's term. Now to talk about the rest of the presentation, I'd like to invite Soni.
Thank you, Jaspreet. Now to continue with the presentation, I would like to talk about local business and entrepreneurial development. Austin's Recycling Development Plan, they focuses on promoting local businesses. However, they lack in mentioning the specific methodologies to achieve their target, like how they can actually promote local businesses. We've referred to few articles and journals which talks about using social media platforms as an effective tool for marketing. Even if it's like just using simple hashtags or using social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, these are effective methods to promote local businesses because they can reach out to more and more people. Now to talk about social entrepreneurship tactics, there are actually few tried and successful organizations which have succeeded in achieving social economic development, sustainability economic development. However, these organizations are easily overlooked because they lack social entrepreneurship tactics. So they need to come up with more interactive plans and actions which can engage society and people and aware people about their existence. Also, it will motivate other organizations to incorporate sustainability economic development idea. Now to continue with the presentation, I would like to call Shaneet.
Now I would like to talk about the topic that is expansion or retention of a business. I would like to talk that Austin has already well established their platform like for recycling businesses, and it is called City Home. And apart from this, it has launched a strategy called Austin's Material Marketplace. It is a strategy in which the waste of one company becomes the resource for the another company. So it's the strategy that is going to help both the environment as well as the businesses. So it's a very strong concept for them. And apart from this strategy gets nominated and win the prestigious award, that is Circulus, in 2016 in the World Economic Forum annual meeting. And now I would like to talk about expanding a business or not. Basically, a business expand when they want to earn more revenue or money or profits. There are a lot of examples we can look at, like the companies which have expand and they get successful, and the companies which have expand but they got failed. This is basically when they lack some strategies, like the company get failed because they do not know the tastes and the preferences of the local customers. They do not have a proper supply chain, and they don't have prices according to the market. So basically these are the reasons why a company get failed. Now if we analyzed that if a company should expand only if after doing proper research about the risks, risk and the various outcomes they may face after their expansion. Obviously expanding is beneficial to them, but it should be done after proper research And as if we compare about with regards to Austin, it's a flourishing state. If we think that their strategy will fit in the rest of the economies, that wouldn't be a practical solution. So I think it's basically the research work that the company should do before expanding. Thank you. And for rest of the presentation, I would like to call Sylvia.
Thank you, Shaneet. Real Estate Development Program of Austin is at the heart of the Economic Development Program. The idea is to create more jobs by creating recycle industry, as recycling the products than using it rather than using it on the waste fields will create more jobs than it would have created if the products were simply disposed of. By doing so, there will be a cost reduction as well. The companies will be able to reduce costs as disposing of products are more expensive than of reusing it and making into another product. Creating more job opportunities, as there will be more chances for jobs now without higher degrees, and it will also help the companies generate higher incomes, and also it will not only affect the company well but also the whole economy, and also affect the environment and the society as well. To conclude, I would like to say that the Austin's developing program may not be practical for some economies, but it can be beneficial for other economies who are willing to practice it, as as there are many positives which the economies can learn from this program and use it for the economy development. It's beneficial for the environment and also for the society as a whole. This program will help those economies flourish better for the future generations to come, and also help the environment and the economy and the environment flourish together as a whole. Thank you.